Hello friends, and welcome back to this new video about trading state of mind and trading strategies. One of the major things that is almost always forgotten or overlooked by traders is to come up with a trading business plan. It is important actually to have a good strategy, to have good risk management, to develop your psychology, but you really have to treat your business like, or your trading experience like a business. Even if you trade in a very small amount, like a few $100s, a few €100, you need to treat it like a business plan. And a business plan includes many items. So you have to sit down and think about these items, decide about their components, get a plan ready, get everything ready, then you can start trading. And all that after, of course, you learned the basics of trading. So in this video, which will be the first of two videos about trading business plan, I will give you the general ideas, and in the next video I'll give you more details, of course. So the main idea today is that you have to consider your trading experience as a business. Why is it a good idea? Well, it is a good idea because it can assure you long-term survival in your trading experience. You're creating a plan, a business plan, because you want to be in trading for a very long time, just like in any other successful business. It's also a good idea because it will help you develop a sound and objective trading plan. You need to write down your plan so that you know what you're following, so that you don't rely on your mind. Because the mind, as we said in many older videos, is not a reliable entity. It will give you this discipline to stick to it once it's written and clear. It will help you overcome the emotional responses that are triggered by trading, as we discussed in the previous video. And it will basically help you put everything together in one document that you can rely on and come back to all the time to use, to modify if necessary. Okay? It will help you solidify your personal trading business, improve it, review it, etc., and it will help you achieve your goals. It can also help you if you document everything you do, whether it be the plan or the results of your strategies. It can actually help you grow your business later, because if you have good numbers and if you have good results, you will be able to present these documents and your results to potentially higher investors or bigger investors, and they can trust you with their funds. For example, if you only have a few $100s now or a few $1,000s to invest, and you manage to get good results over a few years, and you can manage to grow your small account to a medium level account or to a large account over a certain period of time, then you might be able to convince investors with hundreds of thousands of dollars or millions of dollars to trust you with their money, and then you can manage their funds. So it's good to have everything written in somewhere in a document that you can modify, change, improve all the time, right? So that you can convince investors someday to trust you with large amounts of money and therefore have higher returns. All right? Now, some of the benefits, of course, is that a trading plan will help you increase your confidence because you will have everything documented. It will help you document your consistent account growth so you can prove it to anybody else and help you keep track of where you're going when you have ups, when you have downs, etc. And most importantly, it will help you avoid account blowups. When you don't document your improvements or you don't document what you're doing, you're more likely to blow your account than if you have a sound strategy that is written and that you can follow. When you have everything written, you are pressured to actually follow your plans. And thus, you can minimize the psychological deviations that might happen anytime during your experience, and that I have described in previous videos. Now, let us finish these videos by talking about the components of the business plan, and in my next video, I will talk about each one of these components in more details. Well, you want to have a mission statement, you want to have a vision statement, you can even have some values if you wish. You need to have objectives. You need to have a necessary startup and running costs of your trading business. In other words, you need to document how much money you need to start a business, even if it's just a small computer and a small internet connection and a small starting trading account. It needs to be written, but you might want to actually start bigger and hire people to trade for you, etc. The equipment that is necessary to start your business, to operate your business, needs to be written down. It could be softwares, it could be computers, it could be offices, etc. How do you plan on running your trading activity in details? When are you supposed to trade? How, where, when, etc. How is it going to be managed in details, right? How would you invest your money? Where would you hold your money? How would you manage it? When would you withdraw? When would you keep your money, etc.? What do you plan to do with the money you make? Or what are your plans on achieving? What are you planning to achieve with your trading profits? How do you plan to overcome your losses? What is the overall risk to reward ratio that you're going to adopt? Are you going to be very aggressive or conservative? Are you going to trade short-term, long-term, day trading, position trading, which is long-term trading, or are you going to do some swing trading? Will you be using technical analysis, fundamental analysis, quantitative analysis, or any mix of these trees, etc.? So I'm stressing, or I'm insisting a lot on the idea of having a business plan, even if it's a small business plan. But the business plan, like I said, needs to include the mission, the vision, the objectives, the strategies, the how would you manage your money, etc. The items that I have just discussed. In my next video, I will start gradually discuss and give you examples of each one of these items I just discussed today. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video with detailed description of the kind of mission, vision, objectives that you should have in your trading business plan. You have a good one.